No, Tim, I think that EPM is great. It is very robust as a solution, but I would love to see other tools that have advanced features in collaboration, asynchronous collaboration. So this would increase the speed, and also tools that have a lot of agility. How we can make plans that they have a short lifespan, but they can become active. It is difficult. I mean, we need to, and I'm pretty certain that there are plenty of other tools out there and other solutions that are fulfilling all of them. When you have, a big experience with one tool and you have a big maturity and you have leveraged whatever possibility you have, then you have also a lot of high expectations of another tool.
Okay.
It is a little bit more difficult to find, So for me, it's a more dynamic collaboration